Podstop Pit Stop, automated cellular motels. Podstop Motels are excited to be planning their first Max Hub pod stop at Skåneporten, Lunga, a major transport hub on the E4 from Copenhagen to Stockholm. This computer-generated concept video shows the co-working vending space where drivers can take a break, have a coffee and a snack whilst they charge their car, or just to catch up with email and meetings over superfast broadband Wi-Fi. The nap lounge and shower section shows the pod time nap capsules, which can be rented from 1 hour to 6 hours, with a shower time scheduled within the price. Our app will wake you up when your shower is free, and also in time for your morning coffee before heading back out on the road. The sleep cabin space is for longer overnight stays from 6 hours to 12 hours. 4 sleep cabins enjoy ensuite showers, and 2 sleep cabins and a pod time capsule are also in the sleep cabin section of the Max Hub pod stop. Sleep cabins ensuite. Podstop, pod time nap capsules and shower facilities, members co-working and hangout vending space, all spaces with super fast broadband Wi-Fi and fully automated check-in and check-out. A motel for the Internet of Things age.